you for first of all, thank you for having me here, and it's really a great opportunity that you invited me here, Amit, and thank you very much. And I would like to start by saying that let's say you want to do research or perform a research for one idea you got it, or you want to perform any search on that innovation. You do it. You How did you start it? You started looking out with one single idea, with one single keyword. You performed the analysis, you did the proper research, you took the right strategy, and you gave the deliverables, right? And what was then? It was an eureka moment, definitely. That you delivered the groundbreaking report, you did the right analysis, and everything is done. But what happens at the end? When you provide the right strategy, when you did the right set of hits, you got the right sort of analysis, but still, the patent research report you delivered was not up to the mark. What could be the reason? What could be the reason that the deliverables were not up to the mark? Anyone?
Is not proper.
Okay. Okay. And what do you think that the reason can be, that the keywords you selected were not the right set of, keywords?
Because of it's making many numbers of results it's not related to
So can you speak little loud, and your voice is not clear?
might be the keywords is wrong taken the synonyms or other
Okay,
things.
definitely. That is one reason that you took the right set of keywords, or you selected the right set of keywords, and which resulted into the bulk of data which was not relevant to your search. And any other one? Any other reason?
Query formations are wrong.
Pardon?
Query formations like a search string.
Yeah, true, right. So exactly, as he mentioned that the keywords that were used could be the wrong, or the results we got, that could be the wrong. But how to refine the search, or how to perform the search? Obviously, everyone present here has a lot experience in doing the research, in selecting the right strategy and right approach, and getting the groundbreaking report. Definitely, that's not a doubt. But still, every researcher has that talent, and he comes up with, he makes the right set of strategy before dwelling into any research. He select the right approach before going into the conclusion. But still, somewhere or the other, there comes a problem, or I mean, the report is not up to the mark when the deliverable times are there. So the major reason is, definitely one can be there is not the right strategy. Other is, you might not have selected the right approach. But what if both of the things are there? You selected the right strategy, you selected the right approach, but you not selected the right set of engine, or you did not select the right search engine for your search. You go ahead, you take one keyword. Let's say you did any innovation on, let's say, COVID-19 only, right? But you did not select all of the things related to it. You did not go deep down into selecting all the keywords, right? But how you know it, that you might have missed out some major keywords, and you selected the right search engine, you selected the right set of keywords, but again, the results were not up to the mark, right? Now, as you mentioned, how this solution can be done, or as mentioned, that how this, again, it's a human mind. A human mind cannot come up with the, let's say, he can I mean, human mind cannot come up with all the related keywords that we want. Okay, so where were we going back? Again, that as someone mentioned, that the keywords we selected were not up to the mark, or we selected the right set of keywords. That can be a problem. Now, I'll just show you with an example. Let's say, you did one keyword search of, let's say COVID-19 only, and you selected, you wanted to see that what all, research is going on in COVID-19 related to DNA mapping, right? Now, going ahead, you did not get the right results or right relevant set of, hits you wanted to have. Now, again, human mind is something that he cannot come up with all the synonym or options that are related to it. After all, it's a human mind. So here, these search engines come into the role. It makes or it cut down your effort that you had to do to select all of the keywords that one needs to. Okay, so I'll just show you with one example as we talked about. As you can see that with one error it can create a much of blunder. You did the right analysis, but the whole analysis which you performed, putting up so much of effort, so much of brainstorming on one particular innovation can result into a blunder of analysis. Now I'll just like to show you with an example. Ahead, can anyone, anyone remember where we last, what's the last slide did you see, and what was the last thing I was telling? Anyone here?
Hello, Sakshi. You was telling about the if you have done any mistake in searching using wrong keyword,
Right.
you were going to give example, and after that we lost the connection.
Okay. So again, I'll just put it up one example. I'll show you using the paths here. So, may I know your good name, ma'am, so that I can refer to you exactly? Hello.
Monica Jain from Nagpur.
Yeah. Hi, Monica. So, Monica, as you said, just wanting to know, you perform search, you do anything. So, what problems exactly do you face, and what sort of database you use? Just wanting to know it.
Uh, what type of database I use?
Yeah.
I generally use Oracle.
Okay. Okay. So, for the research, you perform it.
For research, generally I use Excel, but database generally I used to do with Oracle.
Okay, Oracle. So, okay, as I mentioned that, you just go with the minute of keyword, you select one keyword, but the results that you get are not relevant or not up to the mark. And what can be the reason? Why did you miss it? Now, there are X numbers of database that are present. There are X number of search engines that are present that can help you. Okay, let's start with the very basic, that is Google. You put it up your query, you do the search using that Google, and you get the relevant hits. Now, let's say for an innovation, let's say I talk about sustainable packaging, and you got 10,000 records and 10,000 hits with one keyword that you used was sustainable packaging. But you were specifically looking for one particular record, that sustainable packaging, or let's say sustainable packaging that is very specific and very. Hello.
Yes, Sakshi ji, we are
Yeah,
able to hear
can
you
everyone
properly.
see my slides? Can everyone see my slides?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, we are
yes.
able to see the picture screen.
Okay. So as I was there, that I want to do very specific search for sustainable packaging that is edible. Okay, or this is something, I prepare a sustainable packaging, and I want to prepare a cutlery that is sustainable plus that is edible. Now this is very much specific, and let's say I don't know what keywords to be used. I just know that this is some idea that I want to implement and get the results. But now what next? What should be the how what one thing that can help me in getting this search refined? Definitely you do it on Google, you'll get records, but again refining this one particular search that I mentioned is again a tedious task. Now here is, where the search engine comes into the role. Here is these sort of databases that come into the role that help a researcher in refining, that help a researcher save its time, and help a researcher getting a better analysis rather than doing with a very basic, search engine. Now let's say, as I mentioned, I'll just show you with one example. Let's say I want to do sustainable packaging, as I was saying. Okay, now I do it this. Okay, or let's select any other. Okay, let's do printing. Okay, now as you can see, like I wrote this 3D printing over here, and it suggested me these series of options or these series of synonyms that I couldn't have, got when I was simply searching on a Google, or let's say any other, as ma'am mentioned, that Oracle. I couldn't have got it. Another thing is, I selected this option of semantic suggester, and you can see that if I was doing an innovation, or I want to look out for records on 3D printing, but plus additional ideas or additional application areas that could be there, this is one tool, or this is one option, this database that provided me all the additional synonyms. Now anyone would be wondering that from where did these all synonyms come up, or from where did all these options come up. Now this is something very interesting option we have it in the Patsier. There is inbuilt AI tool that one can use it, and this is how AI tool is working here. That if someone might miss any important keyword, or someone might miss a related synonym to that option, we provide them full-fledged options or full-fledged synonyms that anyone can select and put it in their search string and perform the search. Now this is one that that can help you in getting the better hits and getting the better records that no one could while you're going ahead. Another could be, let's say, we did with this research synonyms, or we did this, we opted for this options, and we got a very relevant hits that we wanted. Next is, let's say you are looking out for Chinese record, or you are looking out some patent that has Chinese information, and again I cannot understand what Chinese language has been written, or how it can be written. Now what next comes is the translation, how the translation works. Now let's say you are doing you're using the search engine, you are doing a research using some search engine, and you want to translate that one particular Chinese or that one portfolio in English language. Now there are some database that doesn't gives you this freedom to translate it completely, or what I can reframe it as, they don't provide you with the proper translation that one needs it. Again, if let's say if a researcher is translating a record, he would wanting something that is completely completely translated and with full quality, that he need not use extra brain in it, or extra effort in again translating the extra information that is not being done. So it is one pain point of a researcher, that when it comes to the translation of a particular portfolio or particular record, this is one thing which every database doesn't give you, and here the Patsier provides you with the proper translation and proper option that you can select. So we even have this special character table, and plus one this I'll say the translator, and you can properly you can put it up all your records, you can properly use it and get the complete translation out of it, and you can provide, when it comes to creating a report, it gives you one of the most clean report, and you can generate it and you can share it with your records. Further is, let's say, there was some idea, there was some innovation that you did it, you made it, and but again, the strategy you followed, though the strategy you followed the right set of strategy, you did the right search, but again, you followed the right strategy, you did the right research, but again, now let's say you have one full-fledged strategy to look out for one innovation that you have it in mind. Now, again, let's go here by that you have one idea. You're going in a set of records simply on Google. You're going here by you're either doing the search from going from a narrow option to a broad, or vice versa. It can be done. Now, again, this is something, a very bulky task or a very time consuming task for a researcher, that with one simple keyword I am doing the research, I am getting let's say 20K records, but again, there is some problem, or there is some there is some problem with the strategy and the kind of database I'm using. Though, let's say you select the right strategy of the length, that you don't want the very lengthy reports or very cumbersome and complex reports, but you want a very easy reports that are understandable with you as well as the other people you are sharing you're sharing the report with. Now you did it. Now, but what if with this strategy, but not the right set of right database you're using, you are not getting the right hits? What next? Still, you used you used one database, you used this correct strategy of keeping the report length of the report very short and simple, but again, it was not up to the mark. Or let's say your reports were very much clear as per your perspective, as per the records that were delivered to you by the database, but again, it is not. Now all these things, you set up the right priority, you set up the right limitations, be it country preference, be it priority date, be it publication date, whatever it might be, you selected the right strategy, and it was full-fledged report. But again, somewhere or the other, things did not come up in the right way, things did not were up to the mark, and it is again very much I say very much complex task for a researcher to again going back to that pain from where he or she started researching one particular thing. Going ahead, I'll just show you one more thing, let's say, with these options. Okay, so why I'm suggesting PATS here over any other database, let's say Google Patents or let's say USPTO or anything, because it gives you a lot many options, lot many filters that you can put it up in your search query while you are doing, or any other you want to form of view you want to see, or in a form of chart analysis you want to do. This is one of the most efficient and most user friendly tool that a researcher can get. Talking about it, prominent and
Excuse me,
one
sir,
of
please.
yeah, tell me.
Excuse me. What was the name of search engine you just told?
Okay, so it's PATS here.
That's here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So yeah, no problem. Now, why, again, I'll say that why putting up more emphasis on PATS here, but not the other search engine is, okay, I'll just show you with an example. Now, can anyone tell that, while performing the research or while using any database, what all the, any pain point you come across? You tell me, and I'll provide you with the solution here right away. Anyone?
Many times whatever text we write, or if it is a sentence we want to search, so
Hmm.
what search engine did they break it in many words and then search, and many times we didn't get the required result.
Right, right. Now, as you know, you mentioned that you sometimes search you search one text, but you don't get the relevant option or you don't get the relevant results. Now, here is one this best option for the researchers like you who face such problem. Now, one is that whatever text you had, whatever information you had from the another analysis or another report, you can simply copy it and paste it here. I'll just show you with one example. Okay, so I selected this one, just a second. I selected this one paragraph that's mentioned in this record of 3D printing. I'm copying it and pasting it over here. Okay, now, okay, so as you can see that there are some highlights in bold in this particular text. Now, what these highlights demonstrate is that, these are some technology terms that are related to this text. So, as ma'am, you mentioned that, you have a text, you have set of text, but you don't know where to start from or where to start the research related to that paragraph. So here is this option of semantic searching that you can do is there are options you can select or deselect it. So let's say you don't want printing output history, you can deselect it, or you don't want printing estimate, you can deselect it, and whatever records you want to delete it, you can simply delete it over here and you can submit it. Okay, so based on that, text, the options I selected and deselected, based on that, it gave me these many records. As you can see, simple family records, it is giving me these many records. Now, again, these records are something. Now you want to again dwell deep down into it. You want to again do a research into these many records that have come up. You want to perform a specific research. Now here is this option that you can search within records, and this option I assume is not present in the free database that are present, and you cannot perform this easy research in other database. So this is one of the very easy tool that even if you have records performing one semantic search, now further you want to dwell deep into it and you want to do another research, you can use this option and you can do the research. Okay, going ahead, any other pain point or option you feel? Anyone else? Okay, someone wrote that oxy concentrator. So may I know what shall I search this particular option, particular keyword? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are
Very,
audible.
very clearly audible.
Okay, so someone wrote that concentrator. Shall I research this particular term, or what do you want? In the chat box, someone has mentioned. Okay, so I assume pardon.
I think searching with these words, I think Mr. Aditya is asking for searching of oxygen concentrator.
Okay, so someone want to. Okay, no problem. I'll just do this research. Okay, so as someone Aditya mentioned, to use this particular keyword, I'm performing the search. Okay, now as I mentioned, you can see that options are already coming up. Even further, if you want to dwell on other options, other keywords that can refine your research, it is present here. And even we give you this option of let's say one select, with the select of 1, 2 or 3, you can use particular Boolean operator and do the research based on that. Now I'll just perform it. Okay, so based on the research we did, I got 1700 records around. I'll just do the research. Okay, what next in this, Aditya? Anything specific you want to know? Hello, Aditya. Anyone? Okay, so I'll just tell with this example. Like, let's say we did research and we got 1700 records. Now,
I think,
one.
yeah, Shikhar, he is asking for portable oxygen concentrator.
Okay, portable. Okay, I'll just perform the again it. No problem with that. Portable oxygen concentrator. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, so I performed this search. Okay. Okay, so it is showcasing me around 133 simple family records. I'll just take you to the search page. Okay, what next? Hello. Hello.
Sakshi, I think you should go ahead with the flow of the presentation.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. I'll go ahead. So, these were two things, I covered. Now, another option is that, let's say, again, taking is going back with the minute thing that you selected one option, you got 10,000 records, but which particular out of those 10,000 records, which one or, few number of records that are of high relevance to you. Now, here is this. Option that or one more specific option that Patsier gives you, that if you want to select the records on the basis of relevance, how you want it, be it publication date, or let's say be it simple family or current owner. So this is one option, though if you compare it with other option, you get option there as well to select the records as per relevance, but this database provide you number of options that you can select while doing the search. Now another is it provides you with a very clear and a detailed view, and a very which gives you very detailed analysis and very much clean result that no other database can give you. So as you can see that the see, I selected this view of drawings in full text, and it has given me this option of one is the text, and side by side parallelly it has given me the drawings option, and I'll show it you with the other. So it is one option, very handy tool, very user friendly tool that is very much good to go for any researcher and analyst sitting out there and who want to perform the searches, or anyone who is into research work. It is very good to go and handy tool. Going ahead is let's say these quick stats option. Now, just imagine that you have one innovation. Let's take example of 5G patents. 5G innovation, and you want to select all the 5G patent. What all top companies or what all top key players that have entered into this domain, the 5G, and you want to see what all key players are there. Now, this sort of analysis, that this sort of market analysis that anyone wants to do or anyone wants to perform, is not feasible with other database when you go out, and and even if you do it simply on, let's say, simple search engine, you cannot get that detailed analysis that Patsier gives. Now you Okay. So, okay, let's say you wanted to see that what all, invent on the basis of who all are the current owners and who all are there. So this is one detailed view that, anyone can see using Patsier. And even if you want to select on the basis of any other choice of view, like let's say circular view or tabular view, you can select simply from here using one option. And further, if you want to select it on the basis of top 50 records or top 50 or top 10 as per your requirement, you can select it. So these many options, these very going very specific options which are not usually present out with the normal database, but it is there. And if you go out and perform these sort of analysis without a search engine, it is just not possible. I mean, you cannot get such detailed view when it comes to analysis and doing the analysis that you want to perform. Now, further related to it is one very much good option, that is, let's say you are performing any search and you want to select the industry related to it, or what all industries are performing. Now, this is one option. This is one very much good option for the researchers. Now, specifically, if someone wants to see the that particular innovation in one particular industry, or he wants to limit some sort of industries, it is one full.
I think Saksi, your voice is not coming at present. If you are able to hear me.
Okay, and further, let's say for one particular innovation, you want to be very much specific in it, and you want to do real analysis, and you don't want to go dwell deep into it. You just want that one particular keyword and how many times it has come in a one particular record, or how many times this particular keyword has appeared in one particular record. So this is something, this option that you can see it over here. Now, this is a hit analysis, as you can see. Okay, I'll just show you with an example. Okay, now as you can see that we selected this option of portable oxygen concentrator, it showcased me these many records, and
Lakrupa. Hmm.
Is one option that you can see it over here. Okay, so let's say you selected this option of this particular keyword, and you want to just see that how many maximum number of times this record has come in these in some specific record. So this is one hand good to go option that you just do click on the hit analysis, and you just simply select it, and as you can see that it has specifically bifurcated all the keywords that I used and given me a very detailed view that okay, if you want to see this record, in this record this particular keyword has come this many time, and or let's say this is the another record which has around let's say 321, and it further showcase that where these many keywords have been appeared, whether they are in a drawing section or whether they are in title section or abstract. So whatever analysis you want to do, this is one good to go option that you can do it. Okay, any queries till now? Anyone has it?
Is this software free?
We can provide you with the trial, but it has a subscription cost. Yeah. So going ahead with this option, as you can see that using this hit
Actually,
analysis.
nobody can see your screen. Your screen is blank.
Okay, wait a second. Can you see it now? Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Going ahead, okay, this one option that I was talking about was this hit analysis, that you don't want to see all of the records, but you want to see that my particular keyword, which keyword has come up in one particular record maximum number of times. So this is one very handy tool that you just want to see that record that has maximum number of your records, and this is simply the same. Okay, going further, I showcase this quick stats. Okay, now further, let's say you have performed one search, you have dwelled deep into it. Now you further want to bifurcate on the basis of the technology and on the basis of, let's say, the tech domains and the subdomains. So now let's say you want to select now you want to see 5G. Now further 5G you want to see what all industries are there, what all technologies are there, and further you want to dwell into what all.
Madam, your voice is not coming.
Sakshi? Hello?
Hello, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes. Now audible.
Yeah, so going ahead, as I shook, I mean, what was the last thing you just saw? Can you just tell me? I'm really sorry for the all the problems that are coming up. So I can just connect it from there. What was the last thing you saw?
You were telling about how to search for subdomains and all.
Okay, yeah. So going ahead with the subdomain. Now, as I mentioned that, uh, y- for example, let's take example of one that 5G I want to select. Now in 5G, I want to select what all technology domains are there, and further dwelling it what all industries are there. So here this option is there. Now let's select tech domains. Now I can just show you. Uh, Provided that portable oxygen concentrator. Using that option, it provided me with these many tech domains, with these many industries that are present. Now selecting one, I can get what particular records are there. So let's say I select chemistry domain, and I get these many records. Now this is something which has refined your work, which has made easy for you. Now if you are looking out for some records that are related to this portable oxygen concentrator, and specifically in the chemistry industry and chemistry domain, these so it can just refine your whole work, that yes, there are 83 records out of the 133 records that you selected. Now further, if you want to make any you want to compare claims, or if you want to see a comparison analysis. Now let's say you want to see or analyze two records parallelly. Now this is one option that provides you to analyze or compare the claims, or compare the records parallelly in one go, and it again saves time of a researcher of going back to one record and then jumping to another and jumping to x number of record when one is doing the search. Further, why paths here, why I'm more emphasizing on paths here is the features, the filters, the option it provides. It is very user friendly for any researcher, for any analyst. Plus, it has an AI inbuilt semantic suggester. As we see that any keyword we are selecting, or any option or any search query you want to build, it has an AI tool that you can use it simply, and you can use it in your research. Further, it gives flexibility to go up to any extent you want to research. Now let's say be it industries you want to scan, or be it major key competitors that are performing, it gives you a very detailed analysis using Patsier and using all the option that Patsier has. Now I'll show you one thing that full text authorities it is covering. It is one of the maximum number of authorities that it is covering, which is a very which help a researcher to do very detailed analysis, and it even reduces one work. Although every person who is performing research would want that their the task of doing the research should be less complex, should be the report should be understandable, the export quality should be at top quality, and other the research, the information that is given, it should be very detailed one. Okay, so I got one query that they want to see, let's say, cashew industry. If I'm not wrong, I'm reading it. So if you want to find cashew industry, yeah, you can find it. I'll just show you one example. Okay, so okay, now it is just showing that there are 5 records presently. Simple family, 5 records are there. Further, if you okay, okay, what is the option that shall I search? Okay, and even if you want to see related to this, okay, you want labor industry. You want to see labor industry?
I think after writing the exam, you can unmute your mic and you can directly raise your question. It would be more clear.
Okay. So he wants to see labor, female, or health condition. Can you just provide me with the right question?
Yeah, labor, female labor issues or health conditions of workers.
Okay, female. I'll just put it up. Female labor or health condition. Okay. So I'm just doing this search. Okay, and I just okay. So based on the keywords suggested by Dr. Raghavendra, there are a total of 11,000 records that I have received, specifically simple family records that are there. Now, if I go to the search page, these are the records. Now, let's do the this analysis. Now, as you can see that based on the current owner, let's say these are the top major companies or top major key competitors that are performing in this domain. I can even select top 20 and these many records are there. Okay, and based on that, if I want to see it, what all technology or what all industry are there, yes, there is this option. Okay, so I have just drilled down into particular industry option. So here it is. Here this option is of particular industry, and by selecting these industry, I can get record which are specific to this one industry. So let's select this particular record. Okay, so as you can see that I selected this industry, that is communication equipment. It has given me 1400, around 1400 records. And I further can also export these record. I mean, if you want to download it, you want to save it, you can do it, and you can further share it with your contacts. You want to do it. And let's say any specific tech domains I want to see in this thing. So here is this option that provides you a detailed analysis of all the tech subdomains are there. And further, even if you want to limit any, I mean, let's say you don't want pharmaceutical industry or you don't want telecommunication, you can even limit these options and then do your search. And you can just simply do it from here. You can select one particular industry, you can limit that particular industry, and you can perform the search. Going ahead, talking about Patsir, it has one of the highest number of full text authorities that it is showcasing, and one of the detailed, translation quality and the best translation quality it is showcasing. And plus the conversion you translate the data, you translate it from some other language. So it is very comprehensive information and very comprehensive tool that you get. So it is again, concluding it over here that you are performing search, you're making X number of strategies, but it is not all that strategies can do it all, but it has to be strategies, the right approach, plus the right set of database that you're using, just to very much refine your work and ease down in your research. And after all, there is very one famous quote, which as you can see on my screen, that after all, researchers are one that break down the walls so that firms can break through in their businesses. I mean, researchers are the asset of a company. R&D are an asset of a company. If they don't, I mean, if R&D people falls off, a business can fall off, honestly speaking. I mean, if R&D people are working, if they are dwelling the research right way in the right form, that's the reason the businesses are flying day to day, every day. Yeah. And I'll just sum it up over here. And any queries if someone else, and any questions you have, you can freely ask me. I can showcase. Okay, any specific questions anyone have?
Yeah, participant, you can raise your question directly by unmuting your mic or into the text box. Now the session is open for question answer.
Yeah. Or anyone who wants to go back down to any slide they want to see, they want to look out at, I can show you right away.
It was clear and understandable, madam. Good. Thank you.
Okay, so Amit, I hope everyone has no queries presently, and I'm really sorry for the that the technical issues that come up from my end, and I really am sorry for it. And I can share the presentation to you
Yes.
for your
Yes,
reference further.
please.
Okay, so
Yeah.
the search engine name is Patsier. It's Patsier.
Okay. And please share the
Yeah.
presentation, so it will be good for us.
Yeah, sure. I'll just share the presentation with you, with Amit, and it can be forwarded among all the participants that are here.
Okay.
I think, yeah, I'm mentioning my email ID over here.
Okay.
I think whoever needs it, I would request them to please send me just two-liner email. You need today's presentation, and please mention the name of today's session, because we are running day-to-day webinar on different topics. So please mention you need presentation for which session. If Saksiji is going to share a copy of her presentation, and will definitely forward to you.
Yeah, and if someone has any queries, I'm also floating my own email ID, and you can write to me over there. Okay.
Right. So yes, Saksiji and all the participants, thank you all for being with us, and thank you Saksiji for having a very good session and making all understand about what is the importance of searching, and what is the role of good search engine in your research and day-to-day analytical activities, and briefing all the participants about various features available on the pad here, which can be very handy to all of them. Thank you all.
Right. Thank you so much, Amit, for having me here.